Alright boys, I just bought this piece of junk for a real good price. It is a piece of junk. The previous owner hit this thing with a tree here, messed up the tailgate. What a piece of junk. Why did I buy this turd? But whatever. It can only get better than this. And it's 4x4. Trying to convince myself that this was a good buy, but this is a piece of junk. Jeez, whatever. Can only get better than this. All right, boys, we're gonna give this thing a little wash. You know, kind of sucks. I don't like it. This thing is a true beater, a little XJ beater, but hey, for the price that I got it, it ain't too bad, I guess. But let's see what this old pressure cleaner can do. We'll see how she turns out. Oh, buddy, look at this mess, brother. This thing has so much junk in here. Look at that thing. Whatever. It's a beater Jeep, brother. Alrighty, boys. So it's already been a few weeks since I got the old XJ over here. I've done a couple of things to it already. Cleaned her up. I actually did a couple stuff mechanically to it that it wasn't quite good. It wasn't running real good, but I got everything all squared away. So I'm going to show you guys really quick. But so far she's good now. Now I actually like it. When I first got it, I was like, this thing is a piece of junk, but this thing's a little beater. I'll show you guys now exactly what I've done to it so far and my plans for it. So here's the Jeep. This is a 96 Jeep Cherokee. So as you can tell, I've already removed the bumper. I put a new tail light over here, and this is where it has the most damage, the rear quarter panel. But I'm thinking of just putting one of those plates back here, and I obviously need to get a new hatch, which I need to get a new hatch for it just to make it look nicer. But yeah, other than that, the Jeep's pretty good. I mean, rust wise outside is not too bad. You know, obviously the paint's not really good. The rust, or like on the suspension wise, it's pretty good. You know, it needs some love. It's just a little dirty, but overall it's pretty good. I did remove the rug, so you know, you got your typical floor pan rust, which is not too bad there. The worst spot really is back here where you can see the muffler there. So I need to cut that off and put new floor pans. But this is the little Cherokee, little beater. So now she runs good. I changed the thermostat, the cooling systems, a couple sensors that it needed because it was running kind of rough. The main problem on this one, it had a transmission leak by the you know, where the transmission meets the engine, the input seal for the tranny, that was leaking on the exhaust and making a smoke show. So I dropped the transmission, I got that changed, and now she's running good. AC is running perfect, which is nice. So look, as you guys can see, there's a little Jeep Cherokee. It's automatic, old 4-cylinder. Got those old gauges. Remember, this is a 96. I believe this is the first generation of Cherokees, I believe. I don't know, but it is a 96. But other than that, she's pretty good. 4x4, everything works. So yeah, I just noticed I said 4-cylinder. This is a 6-cylinder. 4.0 is what I actually meant. So let's see. I haven't turned this thing on in a few weeks. Let's see if it still has juice. I think it should be fine. Let's see how she runs. Ooh, baby. Not bad, not bad. I also had to install a whole exhaust system because this thing was cut off just before the transmission. It was like pretty much open headers. So I got that changed out. Got a little muffler off of Amazon. And now she's nice and quiet. Has a little rumble to it. It sounds pretty good. She turns on no problem. The old beater. AC on. Hell yeah. Man, this thing is like it's like my Defender Limited. You know, it's got the AC enclosed, a little dirty, but this thing is nice. I mean, I still don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but this thing is it rips, brother. The check engine is because one of the O2 sensors, the secondary O2 sensor, is not connected. So, but yeah, look, this thing has space. Just needs a little cleaning. We'll see. Alrighty, we're back here at the shop with the old Defender on 50s. The old Jeep over there, but this Cherokee, man, it's nice. I like that it has the AC, the 4.0 6-cylinder. It definitely needs a lift. I'm leaning towards just like the 4.5 rough country lift. I don't know, long arm or just do the short arm, kind of like what I did on my Jeep over here. This is actually just a 4-inch lift with 37s. So I'm thinking of putting these 37s on it with the bead locks. Put those on the Cherokee once I lift it, but we'll see what we do. I actually got these 1-tons too that I can possibly put on the Cherokee over here, but we'll see. I got these also for a smoking deal. These things are extremely heavy, but that thing will look so nice on that thing. Super wide. Maybe put some 40s. I don't know. We'll see. That's another project for another day. But for now, probably just do a little lift on 37s. Put a little bumper on it. A little bumper on the front. Winch. Oh, we'll see. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see with the Cherokee. Do a little lift, 37s. I kind of missed that Jeep life a little bit. I know I got this one pretty abandoned. The front differential needs to get reworked. And I don't know. I gotta fix this one up too, but for now I'm focusing on the Cherokee. And obviously the old Defender never fails. It's all reliable. This thing's a beast. I love this thing, but for now I want to fix this one up, make it look nice, and get it to use out there, maybe at River Ranch or wherever we go riding. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll just keep trying to make more videos. See ya.